Now we are going to learn about pressure. So what is pressure? This is the most easiest thing. Pressure on a body is defined as the force that is applied on its cross-sectional area. Now there can be various units of pressure such as Pascal, kilopascal, pounds per feet square, atmospheric, and in India we use meters of H2O to define pressure. Now what is the CPHEO level of pressures, and for other countries what is the level of pressure that you generally use in a water distribution network? So this is a part of your codal provisions. As I have stated above, this will be found in the lectures on CPHEO manual. There are two kinds of pressure. One is absolute pressure, which includes the atmospheric pressure plus the measured pressure. The other one is gauge pressure. So when we talk about absolute pressure in water distribution networks, we do not use absolute pressure, rather we use the gauge pressure. So when we are designing a water network, please keep in mind that that is the gauge pressure that we are giving it. Absolute pressures is also used in some cases. For example, when there is a vaporization that is to be calculated in the pressure in terms of creation of transients such as water hammers, etc. But in general we use the gauge pressure. Okay, and if we talk about unit, we can use the meters of H2O or kilopascal at times.